It's not even really cold in there at all.
There's something just so lovely about being home. Pulling up to your property, driving back to your house. Like, there's just something that is so magical. Ugh, this was worth a 20-hour drive.
Now, just light it.
It's not very cold in here at all, you're right.
Yeah, weird.
Boy, I forgot how much we did. That lantern is so loud. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Is that what the batteries were for?
Yeah, for the glow plug.
We used one of these heaters in Maine, and they heated our house in Maine.
That's good.
So now we'll let that heat up while we get things unloaded. And look,
Yeah.
little mouse turds. That means I need to set some traps, get some things
I'll get the
figured out on where they're coming from.
lamp out so we get more light.
Got the heater going, making a huge difference. Joe's out there with the lantern. I need to wash the windows. Oh my gosh. There's our kerosene heater. So the lamp is plugged in, working with the Energizer.
How many watts?
Pulling 9 watts, and we have 30 hours of lamp time, it says. Is that 30 hours?
It's 100%.
Yeah?
Nice. Fan's cruising on the kerosene heater. It works good. Jessica's making beds. And put a curtain over the door.
Who's this?
That might be another bed. And the lamp works. It's only using 10 watts.
9 gigawatts.
9 watts. 9 gigawatts. Anyway, found a couple mouse turds in here, but we got all the piping for the stove. We'll get that in. Baseboards, casing, door, barn door. Got a lot of work to do. Just thought I'd give you an update. There's Jessica. Say hi, Jessica.
Hi, Jessica. The sides